Hi, this is LCT. Today I'm going to introduce our new product, the Magwell Spacer. We designed this Magwell Spacer is to solve the problem that some customers have told us that they encounter some troubles when they are loading the magazines. And the reason causing the problem may be associated with the inserting depth or the inserting angle. So we designed this Magwell Spacer to solve the problem. The installation is easy. Let me show you. First, put the side with LCT logo toward yourself. Then put the Magwell Spacer in this way, like what I'm doing now. Press the Magwell Spacer down and push it forward a bit. When you hear the sound chap, it means you finish your installation. Now, I'm going to show you the effect of the Magwell Spacer. This is a LCK47's metal magazine. The Magwell Spacer also works well with our plastic magazines. This LCKS74UN has already installed the Magwell Spacer. Now you don't need to worry about the position of your magazine, and you can easily load your magazine properly, even when you can't see your AK and the magazines clearly, especially in the darkness during the night operation. Now I will demonstrate how to remove your Magwell Spacer. First, you need to remove your gearbox. Then you can simply push and pull the Magwell Spacer out of the frame from the opposite side of the Magwell. If you want to know more information about other products, or if you have some advice or questions, welcome to visit our website and contact with our email customer service. Thanks for watching today.